Hey, what's up? This is Sarah Lee Day, and you're watching Dubsado Tidbits, the things you need to know about Dubsado delivered in bite-sized pieces. The last time we finished up talking about the gear icon settings and all of the different things that you can change and manage in there. Today we're going to move on to some different views of your dashboard area and different areas in Dubsado. So let's take a look. So when you first sign in, again, this is your dashboard area. And we've already talked about the dashboard, so we're going to move on to projects on the left. In the projects area, you're going to see a list of all of your leads and jobs and every client who is in your Dubsado account, who you've done work for, who you're sending information to, maybe you're sending proposals to. Everyone will be listed here in the projects tab. And there are a couple different things to look at here. So first of all, we have leads over here on the top left. Leads are anybody who you are talking to, who's requested information. They are trying to get to know you better, trying to understand your services, people you maybe have sent a proposal to. Leads are going to be everyone who is kind of in that beginning stage, beginning of your sales process. Before they actually sign a contract or purchase your service, purchase your product, everyone will be considered a lead. After they make a purchase or sign a contract, they will become an active job. So jobs here are all those people who have crossed over from a lead status to an active job status. So it's something that you're actively working on. You've made a sale, you've signed a contract. The people who are actually, you would actually consider your clients versus someone who's just interested in your services. Next we have combined. So these two boxes here are going to show a combination of your leads and jobs. This one will show all leads and jobs, and then this one shows any that are new. And then over here we have archived, and this just has an all box for all projects that you have archived. And archived projects could be leads, they could be jobs, could be a mix of both. A lead may be archived if they were interested and then they decided to go a different route, or it didn't work out, or they didn't sign, or whatever. Then you could archive a lead, and then jobs you would archive when the project is completed and you don't need to see them in your kind of immediate view anymore. Down below you've got a filter where you can actually filter through the different projects that you have. Right now we just have one project sitting in here. This is a sample project that was automatically in our account when we first signed up for this trial version. And that's just to kind of give you an idea of what it's going to look like, what you're going to see, where that information goes, where it comes from. So you're going to default see the title of the project. You'll see the client's name. You'll see if there's a date associated with the project, you'll see that here. Any outstanding invoices will show here. If they have a contract, it'll be showing here. Workflow, if there's a workflow that's been activated, you'll see information about that here. Status, this is another word for kind of describing these boxes up here are the project statuses. And we'll get a little more into that in a future video, but this section right here can go by a couple of different names. Leads and jobs, project statuses, funnels, those are all referring to this information up here, these buckets, if you would. Then over here on the right, you have new project, where you can manually add a new project for a client. We'll get more into that a little bit later. You can export a list of all of your projects, and that will export into a CSV file. And then customize, which we'll get into in the next video, and that is where you can actually change this information up here to be more organized, to be more relevant for your business. We can actually update that there. And that's it for the project view. For more information about receiving updates, requesting future episodes, or getting help with your own Dubsado account, check the links in the description below this video or visit sarahleeday.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.